blindfolds. This is Allison, and if she spends 30 days chained to one of these strangers, I will give her $250,000.
Oh, wait.
But you choose which one you chain yourself to based on looks alone.
Wait, I get to pick?
Yeah, you get a pick. That granny, this biker, or the gym bro. Choose carefully, because the one chained to you at the end will have a chance to steal the whole prize.
Okay, this is hard. Only having that information, I'm gonna have to go with the middle biker.
You don't even know his name.
We'll have plenty of time to figure that out.
$250,000 decision. Let's see if it pays off. All right, here you go.
Hey, how are you
Nice
doing?
to meet you.
Bryce. My
Allison.
hands are sweaty. I'm nervous.
Oh boy. This is gonna be an interesting video. This is where you'll be living. You got your kitchen.
I don't know how to cook, but
You know how to cook?
I'm pretty good. No, I'm pretty
You
good.
got your living room.
love it.
Any questions?
How do I use the bathroom with this?
Just go inside, put it under the floor, and there you go. Oh, no, don't do that. Oh, no. The only rules are you can't step on the red line outside or take off the handcuffs. I'll let these two strangers get to know each other.
Hey, is it a bad time to say I wish I chose Granny?
Yeah, I could be a backstabber. You have no idea.
You know the gist. We have hidden cameras covering every inch of this house, minus the bathroom. And what Allison doesn't realize is this isn't the only stranger in this video she will be chained to. And they will all have a chance to steal the $250,000 from Allison. Things are going to get very interesting. Let's see how it goes.
Which bed's mine?
I want that one right there.
Kind of an L because that means he's closer to the bathroom.
I don't know.
I'm sitting here at the dining room. Biker man, what's your name? Bryce!
Wow.
Biker man Bryce! He said he can cook. I just hope in the end that we split, you know what I mean?
That's what I want to happen. 100%.
Would I not steal? Strongly.